always had a passion for dentistry. I'm blessed I had a great mentor growing up, Dr. Padula in Dunmore, and I always had a passion and knew I wanted to help people in the dental space. I started here with the dental assisting program, then moved on to the EFDA program, and then eventually got to my goal of the dental hygiene program here. All the professors were very helpful. They really cared about each individual student. And that was a really great experience I had here. Having the professors in clinic, the hands-on experience here down at the dental clinic is outstanding. The reputation behind Luzerne County Community College dental programs, I think, speak for themselves. Also with the high, percentage, of course, with the board rates as well. I knew I wanted to stay in the dental world, but I also knew that, dental hygiene could be hard on your body. And I wanted a couple different careers, to navigate if I wanted to do that. So when I graduated with my bachelor's in 2020, I got into dental sales. And recently, last year, I actually finished up my MBA. Having the hands-on experience here at Luzerne, the knowledge working in a dental office for 2 years, allowed me to use my hands-on knowledge and skills to adapt into the dental sales world. I'm not just, selling to dental professionals. I actually know the lingo. I know what they're experiencing with their patients daily. So having that knowledge really, set me up for success.